Hey guys, what's up? This is Sukesh. So as you can see, I have bought the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the price of this device is 65,000 rupees, which is insane, though I got 6,000 rupees cashback through Paytm, and I bought this device on 15th of March from a local store. That is, I've been using this device for 5 days already, and one of the many reasons I chose S9 Plus instead of S9 is of course the dual cameras, and I think S9 is basically S8 with dual stereo speakers. There is nothing new on S9. Just 4GB RAM is a deal breaker for me since I am a heavy user, and the price of S9 should be around 50,000 rupees, not 58,000 rupees. For 65,000 rupees, S9 Plus is the complete package with the true flagship features. There you go, the box inside a box. I should remind you, this is the retail version of S9 Plus, not the review unit. You will get this exact device from the local stores or online. There you have the pin and also a case, the quick start guide. Now the first thing I want to tell you that do not use this case, because I had really bad experience with this type of case with my OnePlus 5T. These are exactly the same quality cases, not very premium, and within just 2 months, as you can see, the colors are coming off for some reason, and I used OnePlus 5 before this 5T without any case and there wasn't a single issue or scratch. So better buy a premium one or just leave the device as it is, because it's a really beautiful device. One of the sexiest phone you can buy right now. It's flashy, it's really colorful. I have chosen the blue version, though the black one looks really cool. Let me show you what's inside the box. First of all, you get the adapter, and I'm somewhat disappointed with the charging speed of my S9 Plus because I'm coming from the dash charger, and dash charger is the best charging solution in the market right now, but still it's not that bad. You get an OTG adapter for the Type-C port on your S9 Plus. This is the USB cable for charging as well as data syncing. There you have the headsets by AKG, and these are actually quite good, though I will not say these are the best in the market. You also get some extra earbuds for your convenience. There you go, the device itself, and if you think you get a scratch guard pre-installed, it's just a protective film. Do remove it because it's a fingerprint magnet. It gets very scratchy and also dirty within few days. If you want, you can keep the one at the back, which is thicker. Now the display looks much more crisp and smooth. Well, Galaxy S9 Plus is a really big device, but since I'm coming from OnePlus 5T, it's not a big issue for me, and the back of this device is not as flashy as before. It's more soothing and more premium, I will say. There is still glass at the back with aluminum frame, and it's IP68 certified. You get a 6.2-inch 18.5:9 display with a pressure sensitive home key on the screen. At the bottom you get the Type-C port and the dual stereo speakers tuned by AKG with the microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. This is the Bixby key, which is really very interesting. You also get the volume rockers and the power key. At the top you get the secondary microphone for noise cancellation, and also your dual hybrid SIM slot. 400GB of micro SD cards are supported. What's special on the rear camera is you get for the first time a variable aperture lens on the primary camera. It's f1.5 to 2.4, and the secondary camera is for 2x optical zoom for mind-blowing bokeh. This is the heart rate monitor and also the fingerprint sensor. The front camera is 8 megapixel with 2K recording, and the rear camera can record 4K videos at 60 fps, which is really crazy. You also get the iris scanner, the ear speaker, and some other sensors. Now, as I mentioned at the start of this video, I have been using this device as my daily driver for 5 days now, and what I can tell you that it's an amazing device. It looks so premium, which is the main difference in between S9 Plus and OnePlus 5T. I mean, OnePlus 5T looks really cool, but S9 Plus is unique. It's not copying iPhones and it's flashy. It looks really pricey in hand. The curved display is one of a kind, makes everything pop up from the display. If you want a really premium device, go for S9 Plus. There is no other alternative. Another fact is the camera on this device is just extraordinary. It's better than OnePlus 5T, of course. I do love the bokeh and the super slow-mo recording, and of course 4K at 60 FPS is just groundbreaking. The front camera quality is for some reason not to my taste, especially the skin tone. My year-old Google Pixel takes better selfies, I think. Another criticism I have is the battery backup of this device, and also the charging speed is not as per OnePlus 5T. Apart from these two factors, OnePlus 5T is an absolutely brilliant device. It's the dream phone for any Android user. It's blazing fast, and of course the add-on software features are the best thing on this S9 Plus. Well guys, that's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep in touch with this channel for more updates on the Samsung flagship. This is Sukesh signing off. Have a nice day.